What is going on YouTube? Hidden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, VeChain, as well as the S&P 500 if we have time. As you guys know, I like to do a different cryptocurrency here on the channel every single week with your guys' help. So definitely make sure to comment your favorite altcoin down in the comment section below. I will be picking one to review for next week's episodes. More importantly, what we're going to be looking at in today's video is the recent trends that are starting to take form and shape within Bitcoin and these cryptocurrencies. The past couple of days we've been talking about that most of the time majority of these cryptocurrencies kind of have become overbought, hitting a top trend line, acting as a resistance and creating a new lower high formation, which is pretty much going to what we believe is sending the prices back down to, I think, closer to 30k. It's not just happening within Bitcoin, it's also happening within Ethereum, hitting a resistance level, as well as XRP, and VeChain is also forming that same resistance. It was pretty much declared, we've talked about this the past couple of days. It was really when I decided that the markets were going to reverse lower was when Bitcoin decided to retest 40k, which is great, don't get me wrong, but it was hinting at a potential reversal pattern, which is exactly what we're starting to experience now. So we've talked about it, it's happening, we're anticipating a big short to the downside with a 30k as the bottom, so get ready, hold on, and I will be showing you guys my new positions moving forward. I also want to give a huge shout out to Bex Plus for sponsoring today's episode. So for those that don't know what Bex Plus is, it's basically a website where you can pretty much trade futures and cryptocurrencies. They also offer a cool trading simulation website to basically test your skills and learn how to trade cryptocurrency before actually trading around with real crypto. So you can actually use that simulator to learn how to do it, and then you can also trade with, you know, Bitcoin pairs, XRP pairs, Ethereum, Doge, and, you know, all these other cryptocurrency pairs to crypto, and it's pretty much a good option as towards another exchange that we are going to be checking out in today's video. Otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely stick around, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's jump into today's episode. Alright guys, as you can see, I am on my current YouTube channel. The past couple of days, I've pretty much been trying to hint at the fact that we're probably going to be seeing a reversal here. I mean, it's been the past couple of days. We first decided to show you guys where that run was that first took place at the top resistance, and then since then, I've been highlighting the key tops at most of these Bitcoin and cryptocurrency levels. You can see over and over again where I have that, highlighted green circle is pretty much top resistance, where I've been calling the fact that we've been waiting for a reversal pattern to form. It's been a consistent thing, basically showing the tops here. And then in yesterday's video, I showed you guys now 3 confirmations of top resistance, and we're probably going to see a reversal here. Obviously, you know, playing the YouTube algorithm, I can't just say, oh, bear market, totally horrible, don't invest, obviously, blah, 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 because I wouldn't get any views. But I've been trying to highlight the fact that if you watch the videos, you understand that this is an important move, that we're probably going to see big reversals, and using websites where you can, you know, create puts and calls, such as BitLevix or other exchanges out there, you can short the cryptocurrencies to the downside and capitalize pretty big, which is actually what we're starting to do. Now, moving forward, you can see top 10 cryptocurrencies. Quick refresh shows markets probably are going to be all down. Yep, down about 2.2%. Overall, most of the cryptos, at least the top 10, are down about 5% overall. But moving forward from that too, you can see that XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, VeChain are all showing major signs of just retesting that top resistance level. Starting with Bitcoin right here, you can clearly see we called the top using Bitcoin and Ethereum and VeChain's price, analysis to kind of give us an indication as to where the top would be for XRP. And as you guys can clearly see here, XRP hitting that top resistance with its lower highs. We discussed that there's a chance it could retest up to 90 cents right now due to the fact that there is a downtrend forming on here. But when we use the other cryptocurrencies as an indicator, it basically showed that all the other ones were overbought, hitting the top resistances, and it would ultimately lead for Bitcoin to pretty much find its top and reverse downwards, which is pretty much exactly what's happening. So right now you can clearly see XRP has retested its moving average at the top here, becoming overbought not only on the 4-hour but this daily as well, and it's starting to show signs of potential reversal, which is opening up a big opportunity to short XRP back down to bottom support closer to 53 cents. It could be considered a triple bottom, or it could just be considered a more of a consolidation point, as we do still still have a little bit ways to go to fill in this gap here within this big descending triangle that's forming on this coin. And then obviously there'll be another big run or decision that will decide which direction we're going to be investing in then. But until then, when it does hit bottom, we'll be able to leverage it up and down and so on and so forth, which is a very simple, easy way to basically capitalize inside our descending triangle. Instead of just waiting for this big prime breakout to the upside or the downside, we can still make profit on the wait. Now that we're confirming that there is a downtrend here. And it goes beyond XRP. There are all the cryptocurrencies showing signs, and as well as just better overall indicators than XRP has been. I mean, even Ethereum and some of these other major cryptocurrencies are just showing better signs overall, which is why I don't just like to highly focus in on one specific crypto. I like to look at all the cryptocurrencies, as well as take a new one on every week to better our technical skills, as well as show better indicators, because it's at this point where most of the cryptocurrencies move with each other. So if markets decide to break up or down, majority of the markets are going to be doing the same exact thing. And if one cryptocurrency that you're looking at isn't showing the best signs, you'll probably find better signs on other charts instead of the one you're currently on. So with Ethereum here, you can clearly see we did have the double bottom formation. We shot all the way up to becoming overbought, and we started to hit a top resistance level, which we've drawn on as a sideways channel or a price ceiling, which is at 25.87. And we're immediately starting to reverse downwards. Now we're still above our moving averages here, which is another okay sign. And we'll probably head all the way back down to $2,300. But I do believe that if we can break below here, or close below here, we should be obviously setting up to correct down to $1,800, which will be a big drop. Don't get me wrong. That's a 40% drop on the market. But I do believe we are going to be headed in that direction. Now, we do obviously have to play the devil's advocate, and that's why Bitcoin comes in handy. Bitcoin, as discussed consistently here on the channel, has pretty much just confirmed today, or the past couple of days, its third confirmation, 1, 2, and this would be 3, indicating that this is a trend line that is strong and completed, because the past couple of days we've been figuring out, well, should we move it lower? Should we move it higher? Basically trying to find that third confirmation to finally leave this downtrend on here. And the second we saw confirmation and reversal here, that's when I left this trend line and considered it to be the top resistance. Not only that, but the 4-hour and obviously daily charts were becoming overbought. And as you guys can see here, looking at the Bex Plus page, you can see for the most part, the cryptocurrency market looks okay. When zooming in on, let's say, the 30-minute charts, you can see for the most part that Bitcoin's trying to form some sort of descending like fractal here, or a falling wedge pattern. If we just draw a trend line here, you can pretty much get that bottom support in very easily. And then we do have a top resistance that we can also map out just like that. And then there is some sort of support level also forming where the prices are coming into contact with. So just by drawing a horizontal line, and you can see it's very easy to form these charts right here using some sort of trading view simulator that they've incorporated into the website. It's very easy to see that there is some sort of descending, falling wedge pattern that's forming here. And we are currently now retesting the bottom support on the 30-minute charts on a very short-term scale. And if things do decide to go well, we're probably going to anticipate, now this is only the 30-minute charts, a break to the downside here, seeing a correction happen, and it would be very easy to just click sell down, enter the amount that you want to, and short it to the downside. Or you can try the trading simulator and just, practice on your skills, guessing that the prices are going to drop, and then that's how you can take advantage of the short opportunity. Now, more so, I do believe with Bitcoin hitting its top resistances here, being overbought, it needs consolidation, and I do believe it is confirming the fact that we are in some sort of massive descending triangle, and we do need to fill in this gap here. And I believe that consolidation is going to have to happen, and with this we'll eventually obviously decide which direction we're going to break to. But until then, we can still profit off the filling in the gap here. So I do believe that this short is possible, and when we retest bottom support, if we close above here, we'll see another swing back up and down and so on and so forth, and all of these movements will be easy ways to capitalize on the market. So I'm getting very excited, and I do believe we are going to be closing below this moving average, and we are going to see a big drop, as we currently already are, from 42,000 to 38, about a $4,000 move back down to support at $29,000, if not maybe $30,000. The same thing applies itself with VeChain, also hitting not only not only hitting the price ceiling, it's also hitting the top resistance, which is the uptrend. It's hitting its moving average. They're all showing signs of becoming overbought, hitting major resistance levels, not having enough volume to back it. And honestly starting to see that reversal form and probably going to be heading back down to 0.057 for VeChain as well. Otherwise, to wrap up today's video, as you can see, S&P 500 looks okay. Once again, consolidation, which is fine, don't get me wrong. We are seeing a bearish cross right now on the MACD, which is not a good sign. But with the consolidation, it's slowly lowering ourselves on the relative strength indicator, allowing ourselves to hopefully build up some volume and head back to the upside, but who knows? All right, so hopefully you guys remember when we last checked out BEX Plus from last week, but if you are new and don't remember, let me explain what exactly it is. So BEX Plus is a global crypto derivatives trading platform established in the late 2017, and BEX Plus has offices in Singapore, Japan, the US, and Brazil, and is constantly expanding worldwide. They were created by seasoned blockchain architects, experienced financial experts, and internet professionals, and their exchange provides fast order execution speeds and low latency, giving beginners and professional traders an efficient, convenient, and versatile platform. They even offer a live crypto trading simulator, which allows you to trade and practice with no freaking risks, and that's why I like it so much. Currently, BEX Plus provides Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Doge, and XRP perpetual contracts for trading futures, as well as 100 times leverage profit model, which is also available for the platform. So it really is very similar to what else I've seen out there within the crypto space. It's very competitive is what it appears to be like, and they do offer some really cool, unique features that really separates them from the rest of the exchanges out there. So as far as I know, there really haven't been any hackers at all that have been successful with their attempts on this great exchange, so it appears that they have really good security in mind. And what I've been told is that they use advanced technologies such as distributed servers, multi-signature encrypted cold wallets, and anti-DDoS protection systems to protect users' funds from transaction security. So this pretty much, with that in mind, means that your funds should be protected, as well as the fact that they have integrated systems to pretty much hold back any possible threats of being, attacked by hackers. So BEX Plus also obtained MSB licenses from the United States and always embraces regulation and adheres to global compliance operations, which means it seems to be safe for us to trade within the US, which is another really great feature that I like, in that they're following these regulations to a T. So this gives me even more safety and just reassurance to actually trade around and keep my cryptocurrency, some of it, on this website. So the exchange is also pretty reputable. They serve more than 800,000 users from more than 200 different countries around the world. And with a daily trading volume of nearly $17 billion, it definitely seems like people have an interest in this exchange. And they also have mobile apps for both Android as well as iOS. And any questions with their exchange can be answered by contacting their customer service, which is open 24/7 and ready to help. Lastly, I do know that they offer a 100% deposit bonus reward, and they have 21% annualized return interest-bearing wallets, which is also pretty cool. But in short, who is BEX Plus suitable for? Its trading simulator is suitable for beginners, like I've said, and its rich activities such as 100% deposit bonus and altcoin deposit cashback are also suitable for people who already have, cryptocurrency as a whole, and its high interest wallets seem to be suitable for people that just want to hold on to cryptocurrency for a long time and just receive interest on it. In addition, BEX Plus also has no KYC, which is also very unique to this website, and high liquidity, which supports mobile devices, and 24/7 customer support, like we said. So it seems like the exchange is fit for people who just want to earn cryptocurrency and money in the long term. Otherwise, huge shout out to BEX Plus for sponsoring today's episode. If you're interested in checking out this exchange, I've linked them in the description down below. Definitely make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll be sure to see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.